Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I made this delicious ribeye in the Instant Pot, stay tuned. So I use Slap Your Mama for just about anything. That's definitely one of my go-to seasonings. I use that. I also use seasoning salt, olive oil, and minced garlic. That's all you need. You want to set your Instant Pot on saute, and once it turns on, you can add your olive oil, and I'm adding my minced garlic as well, and then I'm going to put my steaks in. Since I like my steak medium well, I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes on each side. At this point, I flip the meat one more time, and then I'm going to cut the pot off and just let it sizzle. And our steaks are done. They were so good and juicy. I hope y'all get to try out this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.